Good morning, everyone. I'm not going to show my face on camera. This is just very, very quick. And by the way, that weird reflection is my chandelier in my dining room. So this is my brainchild for organization when I'm using multiple bread machines and have multiple ovens rising, baking, because I have a double oven plus a countertop oven, so it can drive me a little crazy when I don't know what's what. So I bought an inexpensive whiteboard, and I bought these cheapo timers, put batteries in them, and I'm going to have 3 bread machines going. I've already filled them all. So I started zone number 1. So I put zone number 1, challah, it's in the machine, and the dough cycle will be complete at 11:30. And then as this goes on, I'll put rising, top oven, done, and then I'll reset the timer, and then by then I'll have zone number 2 going, and I'll have the complete time, and then I'll change and I'll keep adding on or maybe erasing. I'm not sure, I haven't used it yet. And I used extra timers. I put extra timers. Oh, this one's upside down. That's interesting. I just put extra timers because I have space, and maybe I might be making something else that isn't maybe bread, but who knows, something that I have in the oven or whatever. So anyway, that is my new brainchild to keep me organized, because if I have dough rising in the top oven, dough baking in the bottom oven, dough rising in my Breville countertop oven, I don't know what's what. I have timers on my phone. I can set an alarm. But they don't have labels, and so then I'm like running around the kitchen going, I don't know which is which. So this is just something I've decided to do. I'll let you know how it works out, I guess, or if it doesn't.